This question is super annoying. There's just a lot of steps, but they all center around the main idea, y equals mx plus b. This is what I call the get back to basic strategy. If you understand that a question is about lines, what's the basic thing we know about lines? Y equals mx plus b equation. So get back there. Use that as your anchor. You don't need to know all the steps at once. We can figure them out as we go. So first things first, let's get to line m. What do we know about it? We know it has an m of 2, a slope of 2, and it passes through the point negative 1, 4. So that it gives me some coordinates for x and y, and now I know, oh, well, I'm missing the b. I need that y-intercept, and I need it especially because they ask about it later. But I have the tools to solve, not because I understood where I was going, but because I had an equation to plug things into. That's the importance of writing the equation down. So let's see, 4 is equal to negative 2 plus b, add 2 to both sides, and we get that 6 is b. And so now we have an equation for the first line, line m, which is y equals y equals positive 2x plus 6. Whew, see, it's got to be careful. I'm going too fast. But let's look at the next part right here. We get line k, and it has a slope equal to double the slope of m. So, okay, line k is going to have a slope of 4. And a y-intercept equal to half the y-intercept of m, so that's 4x plus 3, at which point x, y do lines m and k intersect. So now that I have these two lines, I can do the last step of this equation, which is to set them equal to each other and find that point of intersection. There's also ways to do this where I kind of just plug these points into the equations and test them out, but I'm already doing a lot of algebra. Let's just finish the job here. So 2x plus 6 is equal to 4x plus 3. We're going to subtract the 2x from both sides, subtract the 3 from both sides. We are going to get 3 is equal to 2x, which means that 3 halves is the value of x. That gets rid of choices C and D. And now we just need to know, is it a 9 or negative 9? Pick either equation and plug that x in. So y is equal to 2 times 3 halves plus 6. Y is equal to 3 plus 6. Y is equal to 9. Choice A is our answer. Lots of questions on the SAT are going to have lots and lots of steps and be very tedious, and that's what makes them hard. But it doesn't make them impossible, right? You just need to be able to roll up your sleeves and do the work. And a lot of times that starts with just taking one simple step. So if you look at this and you're confused right away, no excuse. Start doing something. Write y equals mx plus b on your page, and you will surprise yourself. You can stumble your way to the answer just doing one step at a time. I've been taking SATs for 15 years. I still do that. I don't know where I'm going, but I end up at the right place anyway.